Today we're going to make green shakshuka. Green shakshuka, we're going to use spinach. You could also use celery. I'm going to add cilantro to my shakshuka. I've got the spices here. My spices, I have basil, I have black pepper, salt, a little bit of nutmeg and ground coriander, and garlic. You could use fresh spinach, you could use frozen spinach. Now mushrooms is optional. I had this in the refrigerator. This is not your traditional shakshuka where you use red sauce. This is green shakshuka, and it's green because you put all the cilantro with the stems and spinach. Like I said before, you can use celery, or you can use the leaves of the beets. So we'll simmer this down a little bit before we put our eggs. So we're going to form a little hole, form a little dent to put our egg. I'm going to use about 6 eggs. I'm going to cover my pot till the eggs are formed.